back to our channel. Today I wanted to share with you how we saved about $100 on our water bill. But let me show you the culprit. Yeah, the toilet. We noticed that our toilet kept running. You know, when you flush the toilet and you hear the water filling the tank back up? Well, we kept hearing that sound over and over again. Yes, it was all day. So I took my basic troubleshooting toilet skills and I played with the handle a little bit. Maybe the chain was stuck. I opened the tank. I didn't see any problems outside of my area of expertise. So what do? I contact hubby and I say, hey babe, something's up with the toilet. This is how it went. Hey babe, I need you to fix the toilet.
Okay.
Babe.
Yeah.
Don't forget to check the bathroom.
Okay.
3 days later.
Baby?
Yeah.
Remember I told you about the toilet? Did you get to look at it?
I'm coming right now. All right, so let's get right into it. Notice some water leaking around the base of the toilet bowl. So after checking the supply line, the porcelain for cracks, the flapper, none of the above, decide to open up the lid, drain the water, and give it a flush. Behold, the leak. Rare leak, never seen one like this before. All right, so with this fill valve situation, you know what, I'm not gonna patch this up. I'm just gonna take the whole thing out, replace it. Onto the Home Depot website, found the Fluid Master Performax Universal 400H fill valve. It was in stock, reasonably priced, around $14.98. Said that it would also produce a quieter and a more powerful flush. So let's do it. All right, so first thing is to turn off all the water, shut off valve, open the top up, flush the toilet, hold the lever down so all the water gets drained. You can use a big sponge to soak up the rest. Got a little impatient, decided to get a shop vac, get in there, turn that bad boy on, suck up all the rest of the remaining water so that it was completely dry. So here's a look at the already installed Fluid Master Click Seal Universal Supply Line. This was one of the troubleshooting steps I took beforehand. This product is super easy to install, no tools required. It's a little return until you hear a click and it's sealed. Okay, so now we're gonna unscrew and remove the supply line that we previously installed. It's a good tip to go ahead and put a plastic container of some sort to try to catch the water that's remaining. On to the next step, which is removing the old fill valve by removing the nut under the tank. The old nut we had beforehand was worn, super tight. Had to bring out the big guns to try to get it off. It took a little finagling, but we got it done. So after removing the old fill valve, what you're gonna do is insert the new valve in the tank and measure the height from the top of the flush valve to the top blue cap of the new fill valve and ensure that you have a 3-inch difference. Just unscrew the fill valve to make it higher, easy adjustment. Insert the provided black clamp on top of the flush valve. Then we cut the connecting rubber hose to the right size and insert it onto the little clamp. Here you can see the old nut design as compared to the new one provided. Now we just screw the new nut underneath the tank. No tools are necessary, just hand tighten. Reinstall the supply line, turn the water on, and voila! See how the water fills and note that the water height is about a ½ inch from the top of the pipe. Tank, water, and bowl water can both be adjusted by making slight turns to the right. There you have it.
Yes, big success. Thank you, my love. If you ever notice a spike in your water bill, don't hesitate to check your toilets for running water. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.